Shalom Chavarim, this is Richard Solomon, and this will be a tutorial on how to add Movenote, which is a web recording Google Chrome extension, onto your Google Drive or Gmail account. Now I'm going to be going over these steps in a moment, but let's just review some of the steps we will be reviewing or going over. In order to create a Movenote, you will need to download the Chrome browser onto your computer. You do that by clicking on this link. I'll get to that in a moment. And of course, you will also need to obtain a Google or Gmail account. And here's the link for that. And then you will want to add Movenote to your Google Drive or Gmail account by clicking here. So let me show you how we do this, okay? So let's get to Google Chrome. This is how you download Google Chrome. Okay, you can download it onto your Mac computer, or you can also download it onto your Windows or Linux computer. Okay, so you just download that. And as a reminder, this is the URL to obtain a Google or Gmail account. We went over that earlier. This is simply mine. And once you have your Chrome browser on your computer and you have a Google or Gmail account, then you want to go to the Chrome Web Store and you want to click over here where it says free, and that will enable you, once you download that, to place Movenote right on your browser. So you see this is my Gmail account, and see right over here, this is the icon for Movenote. So let me show you how you make a Movenote. Let's simply click on this, okay, and get to my Gmail account. All right, there it is. And you see over here, there's this picture of me. When you first get it, they may ask you to allow the flash player to work, but you simply just allow the cameras to work onto from your computer, okay? And then we're going to add a slide. So we click over here, add a slide. Now you can add a slide from your computer, which is interesting. It'll go right up here. Or you can add a slide from your Google Drive. Okay, now if you want to add it from your computer, you just click over here and it'll take you to your files. But we want to add a slide from Google Drive. So this will take you, or take you to a Google Drive. And here's the one where we had the sample Shabbat presentation with 3 move notes. Okay, so let's say we click on that and we want to show that and we want to select it. So shortly you will see that in fact the slide that's on my Google Drive with the 3 notes, move notes, are listed here. Now let's say I want to add another note. So here's what you do. You see where it says record? Just click on record and it'll give a countdown. And now I'm beginning to record this move note as an example of how you are able to add a move note onto your Google Drive account. Remember, you can also use this move note onto any of your files on your computer. So when you're finished, you hit pause and you can save and review it, or you can start all over. But let's say I want to save this. I click on save, and we're going to stop this while it's being recorded. I'll be right back. Right, so the recording was uploaded, and here it is, and we'll let you hear what it says, what it sounds like and looks like. I'll just click this over here. Hope you can hear it.
And now I'm beginning to record this Movenote as an example of how you are able to add a Movenote onto your Google Drive account.
All right, so I'm going to stop this for a moment. And what is interesting is if you want to copy this URL, right? So you just copy the Movenote that you made by hitting copy, and you simply add that to your Google document, your Google Drive document, or your Google Drawing, or your Google spreadsheet or presentation. Or you can actually send it by clicking here onto your email. Now you have certain other options too. You can add a link and change the background and give this a title and edit slides, or even delete this. I should also mention that you can give this a name. We'll call this tutorial on how to add Movenote to your Google Drive or Gmail account. Okay, so we just rename that. There it is. And we copy this, and let me show you how you put it onto your Google Drive. So I'm going to get to my Google Drive. I'll simply go over here and see these buttons over here. I'll get to my Google Drive, and I'll get to this document where I had 3 different items, right? And if I want to add the new Movenote, I'll just go over here and click on this link to get to my Movenote tutorial. Okay, and let's get the link. There's the link. It's a little hard to see, so I'll just move these things up a bit. Let me just push this up a little bit just to let me take all of this and move all of this up if I can. Let me move this up a bit. Okay, for simplicity's sake, let me get rid of this, and let me take this knowledge over here, put this up here, and move this aside for a moment, and show you that if you click on this right over here, if you listen, you will hear the Movenote that we just created. Okay, so let's listen to it.
Countdown. And now I'm beginning to record this Movenote.
All right, so let's stop this. So here is your tutorial on how to add Movenote to your Google Drive account or your Gmail account. Thank you so much.